Hello students, so this is Nikhilesh from Anti-Clock Coaching Academy, and in this video will be completely in English only because I'm covering both KCET and COMEDK entrance test. So guys, if you are preparing for KCET or COMEDK and feeling overwhelmed by the number of books available, okay, so don't worry. In this video, I will guide you through the best reference book that can help you to ace these exams and secure a good spot in a top engineering colleges. So stick around this video till the end. First of all, why you need a reference book? Most of the students have doubt why we need reference book. So there is a textbook, it will give you the basic idea. There are NCRTs, it will give you a basic idea. But the reference books will dig deeper into it. So you can practice some extra problems. It will explain the concepts in very simple manner and it will be in a detailed manner. So for that, to make this difference, especially for some tricky subjects like math, physics, and chemistry, you need a reference book. But how many reference books you have NCRT, you have question papers, but according to me, for mathematics, first of all, for mathematics, I'm talking about mathematics. This is both for your KCT as well as for your COMEDK. KCT and as well as for your COMEDK, we have RD Sharma. Okay, RD Sharma, very very important. We have class 11th and class 12th book from RD Sharma. Class 11th and class 12th. I'm talking about reference books, students. First one for mathematics. I'm talking about only one book. I don't give you multiple books here. Second one for physics. For physics, you have DC Pandey. You can use HC Verma also, but I will prefer HC Verma only. HC Verma. Okay. So concepts of physics. We have two volumes. Concepts of physics. Physics. So we have two volume 1 and volume 2. Okay, we have both the volumes, volume 1 and volume 2. Okay, you can refer both. For physics, you can refer HC Verma. Okay, for chemistry, I'm talking about chemistry. For chemistry, you can go for organic chemistry. For organic chem, I'm talking about, you can go for MS Chauhan. MS Chauhan, MS Chauhan for organic chemistry. For inorganic chemistry, you can go for NCRT. You can stick for NCRT. Got this? So this is the basic reference book, students. So for mathematics, you can go for RD Sharma, class 11th and class 12th, class 11th and class 12th students here. And for physics, you can go for HC Verma, concepts of physics, volume 1 and volume 2. You have two volumes. So you can take both volume 1 and volume 2. For chemistry, inorganic chemistry by MS Chauhan. For organic chemistry, MS Chauhan. For inorganic chemistry, you can stick for NCRT. Okay. And before that, very very important, before referring all these reference book, just very very important, students, NCRT. Never ever underestimate NCRT textbook. They are the base for everything. Base for your everything. NCERT. Okay, NCERT, very very important. Never ever underestimate NCERT textbook. They form a base for both KCT as well as COMEDK. Okay, a significant portion of the questions are directly from the NCERTs. So mastering NCERTs is very very important. Okay, see, directly they will ask direct questions from your NCERT. First of all, before referring all this reference book, first complete NCERT. This is a base. It will give you a strong base for everything. So go for NCERT. Never ever underestimate NCERT. Then once after completing NCERT, okay, go for this reference book. Okay, or else parallelly you can do NCERT as well as reference book. Once after covering these both, go for mock test. Okay, go for mock test. Okay, make sure you solve a previous year question paper. Solve previous year question paper. Very very important. So for previous year question papers, and take some mock test regularly. Take some mock test. It might be from previous year or it might be from some other sources. Just solve some previous year question papers plus take mock test. Take maximum mock test. Okay, for previous year question paper, previous year questions, students, for physics and chemistry and maths, there is a for both PCM. For all three, you can go for Arihant publication. Arihant's chapter wise solved papers will be there. You can go for this one. Okay, you can go for Arihant's PCM solved question paper. For previous year solved question paper, you can go for Arihant's. Okay, practice guide for KCT and Comet K, KCT or for Comet K. Practice guides, you can go for practice guide, you can go for MTG. Okay, these provide exam style questions for previous year question papers. You can go for Arihant. For practice KCT or Comet K, for both you can go for MTG. Okay, very important students, before starting anything, before solving any problems or before solving any previous year questions, or before taking mock test, go for NCRT is a foundation. It is your Bible, it is your Bhagavad Gita, it is your Quran, everything. Okay, NCRT. Parallelly, you can do this standard question, I mean standard books, reference book. For chemistry, for mathematics, R.D. Sharma. For physics, H.C. Verma. For chemistry, it will be organic chemistry. You can use M.S. Chauhan. For inorganic chemistry, you can go for NCRTs. Once after completing both all of this, then you can take some previous year question papers, or you can take some mock test as well. Okay, so this is very important. And divide your study time wisely. Spend more time on your topics which you find difficulties, and revisit them often, like in a week or at least in a 15 days. Okay, that's very important. Okay, hope this video will be useful for everyone. Don't forget to hit, once after watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for KCT and Comet K preparation tips. Okay, these all are the reference books. You can go through it once. Okay, before that, before everything, complete NCRT first, then go for reference book. Once after completing both, then go for mock test of previous year solved question paper. Okay. Okay, students, see you in the next video. Until that, I love you all. Bye bye. Take care, students.